In this lesson, we will learn how to find the volume of a cube. First, consider this square with each side, with the length, L. By now, we should know that the area of this square, A, is L multiplied by L. Next, let's change this square into a cube. Note that all the sides of a cube have the same length, L. To find the volume of the cube, we just need to multiply the area, A, with L. Hence, by multiplying these three L's together, we get L cubed. Therefore, the formula for the volume is V equals L cubed. Now, it is important that we include the unit for volume. Since the unit for L is not given, we can write the unit for this volume as cubic unit. Alright, let's take a look at some examples on how to find the volume of a cube. Find the volume of this cube when the length of each side is 5 centimeters. To solve this, we need to use the formula, V equals L cubed. Now, since we know the length of each side of this cube is 5 centimeters, we can substitute L with 5. Next, 5 to the power of 3 is equals to 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. This gives 125. Let's write it here. Now, we have the volume as 125. Note that this number is meaningless unless we include the unit for it. Since the unit for the length is in centimeter, the unit for the volume will be cubic centimeter. Hence, the volume is 125 cubic centimeters. Next example. If the volume of the cube is 8 cubic feet, find the length of each side. Now, let's start with the formula, V equals to L cubed, where L is the length of each side. Since the volume of the cube is 8, we can substitute V with 8. So, now we have 8 equals L cubed. To find L, we can see that since 8 is equals to L cubed, L can be found by calculating the cube root of 8. Before we continue, let's rewrite this equation properly by swapping these terms. Next, cube root of 8 is 2. So we have L equals to 2. Now, this number is meaningless unless we include the unit for it. Since the volume is in cubic feet, the length of the sides will be in feet. Hence, the length of the sides is L equals to 2 feet. That is all for this lesson. Try out the practice question to further your understanding.